Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 at JW Marriott Suites at Koregaon Park in Pune. There's a little bit of cleanliness that needs to be done. तो कल जो cups and all पड़े थे वो थोड़ा सा clean करेंगे and then I'll get freshened up and then we'll go to the breakfast. I'll show you what all is there in the breakfast. I hope you will love watching it. So if I'm not wrong, उन्होंने the senses में breakfast spread रखा हुआ है, so we'll go there and have the breakfast. So yes, almost ready. Let's go. So we have left from the room and now we are heading for the breakfast at the Senses. I'll show you around how the breakfast looks like. So what they have also given us this immunity booster card. Let me taste and tell you how is it. Okay, so this is sour and very raw. I don't know इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ है, but नींबू है, that's for sure. Then there's aloe vera. I'm not really sure.
Third, I think it's the third is the update. I'm laughing at the time.
I need to change the taste of my tongue. The other thing that I have is this hot chocolate. It's really nice. वो जैसे typical कुछ cafes में it tastes like Bonvita, वैसा taste नहीं कर रहा है. It's nice. It's not too sweet, very mild, and tastes really nice. In my plate, what's the other favorite thing of mine for every breakfast is this strawberry danish. I absolutely love this. Let's taste. This one is really flaky. बिल्कुल over sweet नहीं है. Under there's a filling of sweetness. And the strawberries are a little sour and sweet, and that balances the taste. बहुत सही लग रहा है ये. What I've also taken is this green salad ball. What do they have in this is raw capsicum, raw cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, olives, and trust me, surprisingly इतना tasty लग रहा है. कुछ भी है नहीं इसमें, सिर्फ salt है and हल्के से I think probably pepper powder है and there's nothing more, but it tastes so good. And ऊपर से एक hummus का scoop दिया हुआ है. every single time. I don't even remember once that Marriott's breakfast might have disappointed me in any ways. No, it's always top notch. Really, really good. Always. Now lastly, I'm going to finish this. This is egg white, chicken, cheese and mushroom omelette. I'm going to finish that omelette of mine. And after finishing this, we're going to go back to the room because I'm already done, almost full. The omelette is amazing. बहुत सही बना है. It's simple, लेकिन I love this combination of chicken, mushroom, cheese. Never goes wrong. There are no spices, nothing, chilies, willies, कुछ भी नहीं. Simple, too decent and too good to have. So I'm almost done with my breakfast, too full. I'll share with you the timing of the breakfast. The timing starts at 7 a.m. and the breakfast stays till 11 a.m. So you need to manage between 7 and 11. Meanwhile, I'll show you what I see around. Okay, have a look. Alright, so I'm done with the breakfast and now I'm moving back to my studio room. I hope you guys loved watching the video. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं food cover नहीं कर पाई because I myself was not much hungry, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा बहुत ही limited breakfast try किया. बाकी dishes try भी नहीं की, बहुत ज़्यादा vast menu था. I really couldn't try all of that, but I believe जितना भी तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा, you might have enjoyed. Now I'm heading on to my studio room and wait for the next video because I'll make the next video an extension to this part only. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching it till here. Bye bye.